All right, dude, listen. You can't be calling off all these days, okay? Yeah, you need to be here. You are our welder. You need to just jump on it, and you need to get this stuff done. We have production to take care of. You need to start welding. I've already told you I've had enough with it. Yes, just weld, please. That's all I need you to do. Come on, man. I mean, he literally called off twice this week. I'm not asking much out of you. I'm just asking you to do your job. I'm just asking you to do what you're hired to do. That's it. Not very hard. Just show up on time. But just please, just do your job, man. That's it. Man, employees, they just don't listen. His job is just to weld, but he's called off twice this week. All jokes aside, we got some really hot cylinders right there. But we are welding up a whole bunch of 10-inch cylinders. We just finished up all the 8-inch cylinder casings. Well, not actually all of them. We only finished up about 252 or 255 yesterday. And right now we got the 10-inch, but the guys are also in the machine shop working on getting about another 200 8-inch cylinders all machined up and ready to go for us. And we got to get these guys all done because we have a meeting and a wheel call order that we have to go pick up in the next few hours for an upcoming project that we have coming up. And well, I keep talking to you guys about this project here, but can't really reveal what it is yet, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, we're going to start picking up parts for it, which part number one is not too far away from us. I'm actually going to be picking up two things. One is for this project, and one is for, well, something else we were working on. That I can't quite tell you yet. Not that I'm lying to you guys, it's just I can't tell you everything. Hey, listen, get back to work. But as soon as we get this all welded up and get these all done, we're gonna head our way over there, not too far from here. It's about 35-40 minutes from us, probably about 35 right now. We're gonna head over there. I'm gonna take you guys along with us, and we're gonna show you guys around, hopefully get a tour of the facility and show you guys what we're picking up. Guys, we're on our way to go pick up our first batch of parts right now. Those items I was talking about, those top secret items. I'll fill you guys in where we're going when we get there. I know you guys want to know, but just bear with me. I will tell you in a second, but for the meantime, stay tuned. And while you're waiting, hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll be on our way to the next facility. All right, guys, we made it to our location. Let me show you where we're at. Curry. We're at Curry. We're gonna go pick up some stuff, and I'll explain a little bit more in depth in a second. All right, so we are just walking out. We just picked up our invoicing, got our goodie, and we're gonna make our way back into the shipping area, the wheel call section, and we're gonna be picking up a few items. So we are now leaving Curry, and the reason we came here, obviously you just saw, we just picked up a few rear diffs, two of them to be exact, and both of them are for Impala. One is for an upcoming project, and one is to test and build some cool items for, because it is going to be something that we're going to be offering in the future, and it's going to be a Hot Post product made and manufactured by Curry. So you guys know that I absolutely hate Now this is coming from me. This has nothing to do with Curry. I absolutely hate Toyota rear ends. I just don't like them. They're not strong. I'm just not a fan of them, right? So we partnered together with Curry to come up and design a 59 to 64 Impala rear end that's going to be built already with you guys in mind. It's already to the quality that Curry puts out, and that's one reason why we wanted to go with a company like them. Majority of the product, I'm gonna say like 99% of the product, is all US made. The quality, I mean, takes a beating, and we love Curry rear ends. I told you guys this years back. I always will recommend a Curry rear end over anything, and now we just have the opportunity to work with them and give you guys a product that is gonna suit your guys' needs and work exactly for what you guys are asking for. So with that being said, now it's gonna be a few weeks before we can get everything going, and obviously they're busy, we're busy, so we're gonna get everything all dialed in. We're gonna send that rear diff back to them, and what we're gonna be doing is getting the wishbone mounts set up for you guys. They're gonna take it back to their facility, and they're gonna go ahead and jig it all for us. That way these rear ends are coming already done and set up. It already has the stronger housings on it. It's all DOM, and on top of that, it's gonna be set up for wishbones as well. So again, I'm very excited for this team up, this partnership that we're gonna be working with Curry, and I think there's gonna be a lot more coming from this. So stay tuned on that. But for right now, we're gonna get back to the shop and get back to work. We got tons of stuff to do. This rear end is one of them. But I just noticed something. This is how you know it's official. Let me show you guys real quick. Look at those part numbers. Hoppos Customs. Hoppos. Woo! Hoppos Customs rear end by Curry. Man, this is exciting. This is big right here. Let's get these moved into the shop. So the time has come. The BMW is finally done. Woo! The guys are getting all wiped up right now. We managed to finish up the air ride setup yesterday. Gave them a call, let them know it's all done. As of right now, they're getting it clean. We gotta toss a few of the old accessories that came from it in the back seat and get it all out of here. Tow truck is gonna be on its way soon. So let's go.